Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we are heading out to a family's home who's moving back to the United States, and they have a 3-year-old little boy, and they're selling all of his stuff. And it's very, very typical here in Guatemala that when families come down here to live, it's only part-time or it's only temporary. And so they normally come down here either with a bunch of stuff, decide they don't want to live here for whatever reason, turn around and go back to the US, and they sell everything in their house. So today we're actually heading out with some friends of ours to go see what's for sale at this house, and they're selling everything. And so they have, with the 3-year-old little boy, we should be able to potentially find some cool things for Angel. We also have a birthday party that we're going to tomorrow for a friend, and she's turning 2, so I'll see what is available potentially to get her as well. We already have 2 birthday presents for her. But if there's something cool that you can't resist at a big open house garage sale, then of course you have to get it too. So anyway, so we're here at McDonald's eating lunch on our way to go see what's for sale. And so I thought I would take you along with us today. Hope you enjoy this video.
Again. Ready? Throw it in the basket. 2 points. Yeah. Get the ball. Ball. Here it comes. Go on the slide, baby. Whose is this? Who's that for? Mine. Okay, pick them up. Pick them up. This is heavy.
Let's just get us to the United States.
Get them? Got him for daddy.
There's quite a bit in there.
Good work. Good job. Good job. Good. One more. One more. Perfect.
So from here on out, you're gonna see everything that was available for sale at the house we went to. So everything Angel's playing with, everything you see is for sale. Zoo table, yeah. Choo choo.
Piano, huh? He loves music.
He's all boop, boop, boop. He's trying to play the tuba right now. Boop, 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 boop. Aw.
He's like, but. Toot, toot, toot.
Elefante, huh?
Mira, mira. ¿Qué es eso?
What's Tito got?
Lion.
You give the big lion a hug? You want that lion? What do you think of this? Huh? What do you think of all this? Step on it, baby. That's a signature. Did you hear that? Yeah. Super cute. What'd she say for this? Hit the doorbell, Kim. Hit the doorbell.
The doorbell. Sure.
4 pages for Guatemala.
Functional. Too cute.
3 weeks later, we're back.
Tio's getting you soccer ready, huh? We were doing that this morning, hitting them on the head.
No, 5 years now, man.
Angel. Angel.
Okay, you kind of want grandma and grandpa to buy him.
Angel. Hi. Hi.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Of course.
Bye-bye. Knock, knock. Can I come in?
No.
No. Ringing the doorbell.
Hello, is anybody home?
Do you like that house?
That means if you get it, you can get it. He already told you now.
Right?
It's his house.
He's setting boundaries already.
That's right. No.
Doesn't hold boundaries, but
Look at it's got a barbecue. It's got a better barbecue than we do.
Isn't that cute? And a sink.
barbecue
And a counter?
horse.
And a little counter.
Ah.
It is
And
cute.
food.
Oh, he found glasses.
Oh. Here. This way. Yeah.
He has an old pair of these that are mine.
Dun, dun,
that I put the lenses out.
Yeah.
He's so dang adorable with them. His
Look
little
at that.
nerd look. Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Did we get your toy box on the roof?
Is that yours? Who's
Is that your
for?
toy box on the roof?
Whose is that?
Can you see it up there?
Is that mine?
Yours?
Yours.
Shall we see it? There it is,
Is that your
huh?
box? Is that yours?
We got the toy box.
Mine?
Yeah, yay! You ready to go get Granny Zada?
Can I go get Granny Zada?
All right, where's your glasses?
Vamos? Where's your
Okay.
glasses?
Let's go. See you later. Somebody played awful hard today at the house.
Yeah.
He's out.
He fell twice.
And he fell twice, yeah. Crazy baby. Yeah, so we're super happy with what we got. So we'll put it all together and we'll show you, and I hope you liked this video. See you on our next adventure. Bye.